Is she about to offer him up to the devil that has Meowie? Is that what this is? Ma'am, we did not agree to this. Okay, she's alive. I thought this girl became collateral damage. Hello everyone, my name is Michelle, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you could, please give it a like before exiting and please consider subbing. Today we'll be watching the third episode of Chainsaw Man. Hey guys, it's been so long since I've sat down to watch Chainsaw Man. I am so sorry about that. I am going to be better with this anime. That changes. I'm going to be better with this. I'm going to react to it far more often than I have this last month. Let's see if I can recall where we left off. Actually, I'm pretty sure the last thing we saw was Power killing a demon. Maniacally just took off and killed that demon and started crazy laughing. Let's see. Denji has found his life purpose, and that is to touch some titties. But I think that's just for now. I feel like the more involved he gets with public safety and sees more guys like Aki, because he lost his family to demons, I guess the more he gets in like immersed with this world, maybe his purpose will, or his desires or his goals will expand a bit more. Or, you know, maybe not. Maybe Denji will be that character where despite everything he goes through, everything he sees, he'll still just come back to wanting to touch some titties. Like, it'll all come back to the titties. Now, one thing that I clearly remember, because I do find it interesting, I feel like the show is gonna like plot twist us, is Makima. Denji asked Aki, is she like a good or a bad person? And I feel like that's setting up like maybe she's gonna be a character that always, you can never really trust her. Like she's always gonna be working her own angle. But right now, so far with what we're given, yeah, she said some questionable things to Denji so far that were like, girl, that made me side eye her. But beyond that, she just seems to be authoritative, like a matter of fact, dedicated to her work. But you know, I don't trust anything. I feel like there's going to be like a plot twist on her character at some point, and she's gonna do something that's gonna be real mad shady, and you're gonna like find yourself questioning like Denji, like, is she a good person or a bad person? But yeah, I think that's where we left off. Aki is like in charge of these two, like you got a fiend and like a human demon hybrid, and he's in charge of watching these two. So I mean, that's pretty much where we left off. I'm gonna get into it now. Let's watch the third episode. Ooh, is this the aftermath? So you have a whole bunch of police officers to clean up, or a cleanup crew.
民間が手をつけた悪魔を公安が殺すのは業務妨害。普通だったら逮捕されちゃうよ。
Oh.
パワーちゃんはもうちょっと考えて行動しないといけないね。彼女を制御しないと。
He's new. How can he keep him in check?
デビルハンターには向いてなかったのかな。
Oh my god, she's lying. You don't lie on him that fast.
マキマさん、この悪魔嘘つきですぜ。逮捕だ逮捕。
Oh
嘘
my
なんとか罪
god.
で逮捕だてめえ。
悪魔は嘘をつけない。嘘をつくのは人間
Devils
だけじゃ。
can't lie? Well, you're lying right now.
てめえが証拠だ。バカ
Exactly, you're living proof that they can.
キャラ作りやがってよ。
Gotta love the
気持ち悪い
butt
な。
shot.
静かにできる。正直どっちが足を引っ張ったとかはどうでもいいかな。
Is he looking at her titties? Sir, can we focus on anything but the titties?
胸を揉みたいと思っている場合じゃないかもしれない。
Thank you. I'm glad you're self-aware enough to know it. Ooh, kitty. I heard him meow. There he goes. Hi, kitty. Oh god, please don't eat this poor kitty. You're not gonna eat the kitty, are you?
ジュース飲めるなんてよ、俺にとっちゃ夢みたいなことだぜ。
He was so broke.
だからって嘘つき女と協力なんてできねえけどな。
わしが仲良くできるのは猫だけじゃん。人間は嫌いじゃん。 人間がわしに何かしたからではない。悪魔の本能みたいなもんで嫌いなんじゃ。わしの飼ってたニャーコを連れ去ったからな。
Meowie?
ニャーコを取り戻す前にわしはマキマに捕まってしまった。わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら猫ごときにとうぬには分からぬ感情じゃろうがな。
えか
No, he should. He had a.
だらねえな
Hey, hey, hey! What you had?
俺は胸揉めるっつうことなら何でもできるけどよ
I would feel like he would know because he had Pochi.
でも犬だったらまだわかるかも
Oh,
な
see, exactly. You should understand. You had Poochie.
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
What? I mean, I guess it's a trade. Get my cat back, you can touch some titties.
悪魔がよ猫よ
Oh my god, he's so motivated now.
そんなことは許せねえよなデビルハンターとして許せねえ
What the hell?
そんな悪魔俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ
He's like, listen, if I get to touch some titties, we out. Let's go catch the devil that took Meowie.
俺もポチタっつう悪魔飼っててさ
Pochi.
もう撫でることはできねえんだけどいいんだ俺のここで生きてるからな
人間は愚かじゃな。
あ
No, Pochi is not dead.
死んだ
Pochi
命は
is
無じゃ
still.
心の中
No,
に
he's
刻んだ
literally
なん
in
だ
him.
のは浅ましい慰めじゃ。
Girl, I should let Meowie stay dead. Don't kill my hopes.
そうだな絶対仲良くなれね
米国の件でソ連はタカ派の声が大きくなっている。悪魔を
USSR?
分離利用しているという願わくば日本の敵は悪魔だけでありたい。
I didn't realize this. How important is this
君に
chick?
あげた君の仕事は犬を育て使うことだ。くれぐれも情は入れてくれるなよ。
No response. Maybe she does feel protective of them.
デンジは不快なだけで面白くないですよどうしてそんなに期待をするんですか
Did he put his car in park at a red light? Is it that long of a red light?
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。デンジ君はチェンソーの悪魔になれる。面白いと思うけどな。
公安は目標や信念があるものだけし
Oh
か
yeah,
でもあいつ
titties.
ダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っ
his
ていま
his
した
goal is titties.
公安にはふさわしくないですそれに悪魔と仲良くなれると思って
Oh,
まだガキなんですよ
he has a he remember. Yeah,
ガキ
he did say that. Well, I mean, Pochi, he's here because a devil gave his life to save his. So clearly, wouldn't that be proof that there can be a friendship made between humans and devils?
そこの家じゃ。あそこにニャーコと
Is
悪
this
魔がいる。
sanctioned?
はあ
Like, do they actually know what they're about to do?
貧血なるからチェーンソーにはなりたくねえな
お？チェーンソ
ああ俺チェーンソーなれんの
ー？人間の
Yeah, he ain't joking, girl. He really big chainsaw right out the head.
こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ
おー。
The
そういう
story?
設定じゃったが。
So you lied?
で
Slip of the tongue. What? What the hell? Why did she do that?
じゃが
Girl? Is she about to offer him up to the devil that has Meowie? Is that what this is? Ma'am, we did not agree to this.
せたな血の悪魔よ。逃げたのかと思ったぞ。
望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。
Oh my...
コウモリ。
She did bring him to, like, exchange.
の食事。
But he's not technically just a human. He's a human devil hybrid. So he's, you know, a bit different.
つけられた傷
It was probably deserved.
私を人間に刻まれた傷人間の血で癒させてもらう
Oh my god. Oh. Is he like squeezing the blood out of him? Oh my god, that is. Oh, yeah, that's right. He has Pochi in him.
復活してしまったではないか
Maybe so it works because he's part human, but it tastes nasty because he has like devil in him.
血の
Aren't you concerned about Meowie?
お前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか
Yeah, he's hearing them words now. Pochi is an exception.
やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
Listen here, you heifer. You lucky I'm part devil, so I'm not that easy to kill.
タバコの匂い化粧と薬の匂い
I'm sorry, how does makeup, cigarettes, and
悪
drugs
くない
fit in?
匂いだ
Like one of these feels like
口
an
直しは
outlier.
子供に決めたぞ
Children? So you find makeup and cigarettes and drugs to be offensive, but eating children?
ニャーコを返してもらう。
I was about to say, you taking a long time to ask for Meowie back. He probably ate Meowie. Oh, he kept Meowie in a cage. Has he been feeding Meowie?
私にな
You better not eat this cat.
あ
Oh my god, did he just eat a cat?
ニャーコ。うぬの名はニャーコじゃ。
Oh, poor kitty. Oh my god, we've been picking him up
広い
like
なりじゃ
that.
のう。
Listen here. Oh no.
血の悪魔や血が足りないも連れてこい
You
落
should
ち
have
た
just
をもう撫でれんと言っとったな。うぬの気持ちが分かったぞ。
listen here. All this could have been avoided if you had just told Denji, and maybe things would have been different. Oh, maybe if you swallow her, she can go in there and get Denji. Get Denji. I mean, get Meowie out of there. Makima, find Meowie. Maybe Meowie's still alive inside.
うがいをした後は前菜に生娘だなデザートは妊婦
A
がいい
pregnant woman? What the hell? You know what? I see why Aki hates y'all. Y'all ain't right.
返せ
Give me back my
私の血を飲
boobs.
んでる
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。悪魔に食われちまったって思ったけど、
Aw.
家に帰るとポチタは泣きながら俺を
Oh,
待っていた。
Pochi.
ほっとしてそのまま一緒に寝とんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう。
You know, if she had just been honest with you, maybe Meowie would still be alive. Because you would have been, you know, if things popped off, you could have whipped this out. Let's go, Denji. F this weird devil bat devil up. Talk about eating pregnant women and virgin girls and how makeup and drugs. Well, listen, drugs is bad. Cigarettes are bad. I guess makeup is nowhere near that. Oh my god. Did we? Okay, she's alive. I thought this girl became collateral damage. Yeah, time to go. Why are you still staring? Exactly. I'm like, you need to go, girl. Move. You still standing there looking.
逃がした
Yes, yes, we did.
悪魔のくせに何がしたいんだ
Your death is the achievement we're looking for.
腹咲いて
Get Meowie
で
back.
も産んだよ
Screw the boobs. Get Meowie back. Makima did this to herself for her dumbass. She had just been honest with you, and then the funny thing is, this episode started off with her calling Denji a liar. Ma'am, your lie is what got us into this mess. Come on, Denji. Ooh, the animation is so damn clean. Yeah, let's go. You know, Denji is quite fast. Oh, people, move, sir. Please get your shot up and go.
とっとと逃げろ
Exactly, you all just stay here. Oh, okay, he dodged. I thought he got hit. Let's go. Oh my.
俺は切れるか
Oh no. Oh, he could retract them. Exactly. Even he's confused. Hey, careful now. Oh my god. He just blew up like that. Oh, what's going on with his mouth? Oh. because he's Denji slash Pochi. Pochi. Poji. Ooh. Yes. Oh my god, his finger looks broken. I haven't touched some damn boobs yet. Oh my goodness. The power of touching titties. That fall, I feel like that fall should have killed him. Maybe broken a bone. Cut through it. Cut through it. Cut through it, Denji. That's what I'm talking about, Denji. Woo! Denji said, I've been through way too much shit. Yes, Denji! He's like, I have been hounded by my daddy's debt collectors. I gave up body parts. I ain't going out like I lost Pochi in a way. I ain't going out like no. Straight to the eye. Go to the eye. Damn. All that blood through his gut, man. You know what? I'm here for it, Denji. Let's go, Denji. Ooh, okay. So that was the episode. So that was episode 3, Meowie's whereabouts in a bat devil's gut now. You know, it's interesting how the episode started with her saying humans are all liars, and then she told a lie. Listen, who's to say that if she had told the truth, Denji would have still managed to save Meowie's life? But seeing all of this, I'm like, maybe things could have been different. Like, maybe, actually, like, maybe Makima and Meowie would still be alive. Actually, I don't know they're dead, but he cut through their gut, the devil's gut. So if they weren't in there already, I guess they're gone. Like, both Meowie and both Meowie and Power are dead. I'm not too sad about Power, but I am about Meowie. But like I said, I don't know if Power is dead. I don't know if Meowie's dead, but if I had to choose, I'm choosing Meowie because Meowie ain't do nothing. The Power should have been honest. It's funny how she accuses humans of all being liars, but then you lie to Denji, and who knows, maybe things would have been different if Denji had, if Denji was in on the ruse, like, okay, we're gonna go in. He wants a human, but you are going to go in and pretend that you are the human I'm going to sacrifice, and then you whip out your chainsaws and take him by surprise and get Meowie back. But no, we didn't do that. We went the long-winded way. And now the streets are, these buildings, the collateral damage of all of this is insane. Taxes and well, not taxes, but insurance rates must be insane in this world living with devils. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this reaction, go ahead and give it a like and tell me what you thought of the episode down below. Should Power have just told Denji that this bat demon devil whatever wants a human life in exchange for Meowie, let Denji in on the plan, and then turned it into a ruse so they can get the upper hand? Should she have just done that? Probably. Would it change the outcome? I don't know, but now we'll never know because they got swallowed. Now, that doesn't mean they're alive. That doesn't mean they're dead. They still could be alive.